we are going to reveal the VAYDOR 2.0 that I told you guys a while ago, and we'll sit down with Supercraftcars and answer your doubts and questions. Stick around. What is going on, guys? This is Luis, aka Como Están las Mismas Peoples, and welcome to Wrenchettes, where not only I work on beautiful cars like the G35, soon to be the VAYDOR, but a life as well. Now, if you guys remember, I told you guys that I saw the new redesign for the VAYDOR 2.0. And without further ado, here is the VAYDOR 2.0.
Everybody wanna ball, holla ball at the ball. Be up, watch the ball. Nigga, I ain't fuck with y'all. Nigga, I ain't fuck with y'all. Fuck with y'all, ain't fuck with y'all. I ain't fuck with y'all. Nigga, I ain't fuck with y'all.
Wow. Let me tell you guys, this is one beauty. Since I saw that car, I was like, man, this is gonna be great. I really do love that design. It is crazy nice. I love it. Do you guys love it? What do you guys think? Leave it in the comment section down below. But I know you guys still have doubts. How long is it gonna take? Is it gonna be $1.2 million? Since now the VAYDOR kit costs $150,000. I know your doubts. So I sat down with Supercraftcars and we talked seriously. Let's get started. Are we expected to see the VAYDOR 2.0 early 2020 or late 2020? They replied early, but in very limited production. What would be the build time? The first one will always have some adjustments. 3 months. That's pretty awesome. I think so. You know, compared to the VAYDOR, which is like 6-7 months, that's not bad at all. Price for the 2.0, they said in the 200K range. Also working with a company for full electric version as well. Pretty nice. We will release both at the same time. As you guys remember, I did a video saying that the VAYDOR 2.0 was going to be electric, and I did not lie. They were just making 2 versions of it, which I didn't know myself. Pretty nice. Let's continue. Any changes in the cabin? They reply yes, and they send me these pictures. You can see a cluster and a steering wheel with the VAYDOR badge on it. You can see it's gonna be a flat bottom, really nice. Complete redesign on interior. That will be interesting. I want to make the car for 6'6" people. That's great because I'm 6'1". When I saw the VAYDOR, I mean, I love the VAYDOR, but like when I saw the design on the cabin right here, I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna fit comfortably in there. But then I saw Shaq. So I was like, if Shaq could do it, then I could do it. He's like 7'4" or something. I'm 6'1". I fit. Will financing be available anytime soon at Supercraftcars? We're financing now with 70% down. I don't even know that myself. Well, I sneaked that question in. We continue. But yes, the new model will be banked financing approved. We're building the chassis to fit both the old model and the new. The new might not be as big of a hit as this one, so we don't want to close the door on it. That's very important because I really thought they was going to do that, which I didn't think was a very bright idea. But I'm super glad they're not, and they're gonna have multiple versions of the car. That's pretty awesome. Then I asked, so the G35 chassis will exit at that time? They say yes. The G35 chassis will only exist if someone wants a cheaper version than the tube chassis. So that's pretty awesome. Can you state the price for the G35 chassis and the new tube? He replied, don't know yet because the interior will be the new modern with just the old exterior body. The new tube will be in the 200K range. The G35 chassis will be in the 150K range. Now this is a question that you guys needed to be answered by Supercraftcars. People are worried about the price jump to 150K from 75K. What do you tell them? This is for you. This is coming straight out from Supercraftcars. Let me give you an example. Guy buys a whole block of cheese, cuts it in half, puts each half for sale. One is 10 cents a slice and the other is $5 a slice. He sells the $5 slices faster than the 10-cent slices. People feel they are getting better product by paying more, if that makes any sense. It's a psychological thing. People that have money, they want to know they're getting a real good product. And people that have money, they want two things. They want exclusivity and they want status. The DIY people are making the Vaydor cheap and are killing the brand. And then I asked, so you're protecting the brand and investors is what it comes down to? He said, I have no investors. But yes, we're protecting the brand. It deserves it. And if you guys remember last time, I told you guys that my personal opinion, they was protecting the Vaydor, and that's why they raised the price to keep that exclusivity. And I was right, because this interview was done last night, as you guys can see the time and in the text. Let's continue. Since I've raised the price, I've already picked up 3 orders at $150K. In the last 9 months, I only got 1 order of $75K. Too cheap for the rich and too expensive for the middle. I don't make much at $75K. Now this is for the DIYers and people that wanted a kit as a standalone. Here you go. This is a question for you. I sat down. I had to ask this question because I know you guys have doubts and maybe hopes, because on the last interview they said it was going to be off and on. Now I had to ask them again to see their official statement. And I asked, DIYers want to know, will the kit ever, emphasis on ever, be sold as a standalone kit again? Now Supercraftcars answered. Drum roll please. Never again. The only way you can get it, as I told some of you guys, is get it secondhand, maybe eBay or manmechanics.com or wherever you can. Just take precaution as you guys, buy these kits from secondhand. Do your due diligence, you know what I mean? I asked, anything you want to add? A statement to the fans of the Vaydor. This is you, the one watching right now. Officially from Supercraftcars. We understand that the DIY people are upset over this. I was a DIY myself. But we really have a vision and dream that they should root for us as the little guy with a great product going up against the giants. The giants meaning the Porsches, the Lamborghini, the Ferrari, the McLarens. At the end of the day, we still have the price of supercars. And American made. And I replied, America. Oh, man's voice. Do you truly understand the vision? And if you do, are you going to support them? And if you don't, let me know in the comment section down below. Tell me your reasonings and your thoughts, and let's talk about this. And if you want to support this channel, I have created a new Amazon storefront. So if you shop on Amazon, you can just click on my link and shop like you regularly do. Something free you can do to help out this channel, or proceeds will go to supporting this channel and the Vaydor baby. Until next time, guys, stay safe. Peace in New York City.